What's going on, everybody? I'm Aaron.
I'm Katie.
And today for Thrifty Thursday, Katie, what are we making?
We are making canvas art in a form.
Yeah, we're taking crayons and we're trying like 3 different methods that we found to make this art. So we're taking the traditional hairdryer over the crayons and trying to melt them down in a pattern. I'm going to be using an iron to see if I can melt a pattern into my canvas without like destroying it, which we'll see how that works. And then I'm gonna try the hot glue gun method. So I went and bought like this cheap hot glue gun that I'll probably use for this, and then after that have to toss it in the trash because it's going to get ruined by the crayon. So anyway, Katie, are you ready to get started?
Yep.
Let's get started. So I'm gonna start off with the ironing method while you're sitting there getting your stencil design in place.
Yeah, if you're doing the drip thing with the hair dryer, I was about to say hairdresser, you want to cover up a part of your stencil that you do not want to be colored. So like if you want to leave behind a white shape through your color, use masking tape.
Yeah. So what I'm doing here is I'm now placing the iron on this, and I'm gonna let it kind of just sit while it does its thing. And
also, be careful in this journey. I've stabbed myself in the eyebrow with scissors and I almost cut my finger.
yeah, so there's a lot of things you probably shouldn't do. And wow, look at that big goopy, oh god, it moved. Big goopy mess that I'm making here. Oh wow, they're melting like super quick with the iron.
It's wax.
Yeah.
Ooh.
So I wonder how well that's gonna hold up. So I'm gonna let that cool for a second. That's, oh no, didn't think this through.
Nope.
Let's see.
Ironing was a failure.
Ironing is a fail. Yeah. That didn't work out too well at all, and I ruined my art.
You might be able to scrape it off in enough time if you're quick. Don't use your hands.
Yeah, I might. So that didn't work out the way I wanted it to, but take this liquid wax of, wow, that actually does add a pretty cool color effect to
Well,
it.
there you go. You just have the color effect and roll with it.
Yeah, so that didn't work out the way I wanted it to, which kudos to me for trying that and failing.
You don't know success without failure.
Exactly, and yo, diggity, what's up, son?
God. You just reminded me of a super old man.
So, yeah, that's ruined. So, I've got another canvas. So, I'm leaving the canvas white for the most part. But I'm going to try to do the hot glued crayons to the top and then the hairbrush. Yeah, I'm going to hairbrush it till the wax melts. But I'm going to try out this method here of just, I'm going to paint the seahorse in place rather than trying to color it, because it didn't work out the way I hoped it would initially. Which, of course, because I'm a little speedy with my stuff, like I tend to try to do things the quick way rather than the correct way. I guess my iron overheated and
Bless America.
melted it to the point where it was a giant wax puddle and it made a big stain on my canvas. So I'm gonna paint me a seahorse. There's my painted seahorse. So there, that's it. That's all for this video. Not really, no. Okay, so the next step we did here is, since the hot glue's not really working, we tried it and it seems like it just didn't really hold the crayons well for you. I decided to go ahead and try the taping method. And I'm being very gentle with that tape because the crayons will shift and move, which is fine by me. I'm just trying this out to see if this works. I'm going to use the hot glue method later to show you a trick that I've seen on YouTube. The ironing method really didn't work that well. I mean, I tried and I just got a big pool of hot ironed goop. That just sounds like a bad movie name. Oh, like this? Do I need to put it high? not. Of course, we can't have anything that works right. I mean, you should have heard that. It was like, so I guess I'm gonna be here for a bit.
Okay, so I'm gonna be doing my attempt on it from the top, I guess.
No, they melted. They did melt.
But they slip off because, you know.
Yeah, tape. I've got one other method I want to try.
If it slips off with this, it's going to slip off with your other method.
Well, what I'm thinking about doing...
tape.
Yeah, it's... The hot glue really didn't hold these together like every video I've seen. So, obviously, maybe if we had, like, regular glue and just glued them to it. But then again, that would melt the moment we put heat to it. So, I'm going to try out the iron again. Oh, the irony. But I'm not going to actually put the iron on it. Instead, I'm going to use its heat source.
It's probably going to do what mine just did.
And I'm going to tilt it once.
Sorry.
Hot wax! I'm yellow!
I give up.
Yours is not working well?
No.
So I'm gonna try this out again. Remember how I didn't like the way the iron kind of just melted everything?
It's gonna do it again.
It's gonna do it again, I know, but...
I melted my crayons, but it didn't go anywhere.
Yeah, it went somewhere. I mean, I've got these nice yellow blobs on my arm. So with this, let's see what we get. No, to tilt it. It's working. Okay, so I tried ironing my crayons onto the canvas, and I got more of it on the table than I did the actual, canvas. Which sucks, but still very loose, and my fingers are now colored multiple colors. But let's try taking this off the canvas now, this tape, if it's not like scaldingly hot. And yeah, that didn't work out at all. So
whoever made this thing up.
Whoever did this project, I mean,
piece of doo-doo.
Well, I want to know how you got it to work, because that's what mine turned out to look like. That is very abstract art. I call it seahorse amongst a sitting guy.
Oh.
Look!
What about the thing behind him that looks like it's trying to kill the seahorse?
The sitting guy just lost a leg, so... This really didn't work out the way I hoped it would, and I feel like I didn't really accomplish what I was hoping to. So I do want to try the one last project piece here and see if this actually works, so I can at least verify one of these methods working. And that is the hot glue gun with wax, with a crayon, excuse me.
You were technically right. You are technically.
Yeah, technically I'm right. Okay, so I'm trying out the hot glue gun method, and it works really well if you want to just like drip stuff. But as far as it goes, just go with it. Like, I really don't like the way this is working out. Maybe we just didn't do something right. Maybe we followed directions the wrong way, or maybe the person that did this wanted to keep their technique a secret. But so far, Oh, that's still runny.
I may do with that. Let me go ahead and remove my fairy lady.
Yeah.
Wow.
You made it. You made Katamari in a dress. You made the Prince of the Cosmos in the dress. So that's how mine turned out. After doing the drips are from the hot glue gun along with the bottom there that I connected the seaweed with. But this didn't turn out as well as I hoped it would. I mean, when I let it down like that, the crayons just, you know, poured down and like glued together to make this ugly brownish green color.
So I'm gonna take his previous canvas and take something from last week and let's see, just roll with it and see what happens.
Yeah. Your art's probably gonna be better than mine anyway, so. Yeah, that's already dry, but I mean, and it dries quick, so, you know, that's pretty cool, but as far as this went, and now the hot glue gun's also ruined, by the way, so.
Well, we still have another one.
Yeah. Bought another one. Oh, well. Oh, that was just bad. Squeezed the trigger and it started, like, glooping. Yeah, this didn't turn out well at all.
As you can tell.
Now I've got to scrape crayon off the table here, but there's my final artwork. Again, I call it Seahorse behind a leaf of seaweed.
Very angry.
I mean, that still looks like, you know, a Teletubby, you know, trying to wave at somebody. Or like Gumby in the dress.
It's a girl with her hair flowing.
Yeah.
There we go.
It's abstract. It's cool. That's the thing now. So, there's my final piece of art. It's abstract. It's cool. It's art. That's going to be my saying from now on with this. So, Katie, what did you think of these? Not what we thought.
You don't want my opinion on it.
Yeah, not what we thought it was going to be. But anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe.
Us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
Leave a comment below. Let us know what you thought of our attempts at crayon art or what you'd like to see us do next. Also, click on that bell icon because that lets you know what we're doing and when we're doing it. So, yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. So, did you like today's video? If so, click right here around Peter to subscribe.
If you want to see our last episode, click here.
Yeah. If you want to see something else, you can always click on me. Oh, that tickles. Stop. Stop. Seriously, just stop. Stop it.